In this video, we are going to take a look at this vintage radio. And it has got some controls on the front, but we are not able to see what these are because it is covered in dust. So this is the front of this radio. That's the dial glass, and that's the dial clock, which is totally destroyed, and inside we have a speaker. Now let's check the back side of this radio, and from the back we can see there is no back cover, and some valves or vacuum tubes are there. And the model of this radio is the make of this radio is Mullard, made in India, MUS 2617/01.
So the tube lineup, the converter tube is UCH42, and the IF is UF42. The second detector and preamplifier is also UF42. The power tube is UL41, and inside there is a rectifier tube, that is UY41. There is a magic eye DM71, but the magic eye is not working.
Now we are going to disconnect the speaker and take the chassis out.
And this is a view of the bottom of the radio. That's the bottom cover, which is totally destroyed and it will not be reused. The orange ones are the capacitors, and the other capacitors are also visible. Now here the radio has been totally disassembled and kept on the table. That's the chassis. And these are the knobs and the screws. So the chassis is covered in dust, so we have to clean it and also put a new dial cord. And this green ones are the dropping resistors, and that round cylinder like thing is the output transformer. Here is the speaker cone, which is not in a very good condition, so I think we have to put in a new speaker cone. This is the dial glass, which is in fairly good condition because all the markings are all present, but it is broken on the two sides, so that is okay, but the condition is somewhat okay for this dial glass. The cabinet has been cleaned, and this is after one cleaning. Also the inside of the cabinet has also been cleaned. This is the speaker. It has been reconed, so the old paper was totally non-usable, so we have to put a new paper. And also one of the screw was not present, so we have to put a new screw here. Date code is 0454, so it's the April of 1954. And also we have cleaned the chassis, and we have replaced all the paper capacitors. The electrolytic capacitor was changed and replaced with two 47 microfarad capacitor. The black paper capacitors were replaced with these yellow ones. Some of the resistors were out of tolerance, so we have to replace those. The restoration of this radio is complete, and you can see we have put in new gold paint, and we have put in a missing knob, and this one here is a function selector switch, which switches the radio between the radio function and the pickup function. Here it is denoted as gram, which means gramophone. So the radio can be connected to a gramophone and used as an amplifier. So this switches between gram and radio. And the other knobs are tone, and then we have band selector switch, and then the tuning knob. Now here's a view from the back of the radio, and the yellow paint which you see is actually zinc chromate to prevent rust of the chassis. And the chassis was cleaned, and the dropping resistors were all faulty, so we have to change all the dropping resistors. The radio was missing the back cover, so we had to make a back cover out of a masonite board, and we have put many holes in it for proper ventilation. So this is a two-part back cover and the bottom cover, and both are connected with the help of clamps.
হয় সেগুলো কিন্তু বেশিরভাগ ক্ষেত্রেই ভাইরাস জনিত অসুখ। তবে ভালো দিকটা হচ্ছে এগুলো বড়জোর আমরা কি করতে পারি, জ্বর কমানোর জন্য প্যারাসিটামল জাতীয় ওষুধ খেতে পারি। নাক থেকে জল পড়া, হাঁচি এগুলো কমানোর জন্য একটু সাধারণ অ্যান্টিহিস্টামিনিক ওষুধ আমরা নিতে পারি। একটু গরম জলে কুলকুচি করা, গার্গল করা কিংবা ধরুন স্টিম নেওয়া, এগুলো কিন্তু অনেকটাই আমাদের এক্ষেত্রে
With that, we have come to the end of my video. I hope you liked the restoration of this radio. Please like and share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.